In this guide, I'm going to clear out whether you can log into My DailyPay portal without app or not. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website dailypay.com. Once you're in its official website, click on three bars. Now, select the option Login. With that, you will be directed to this page. Your App Store or Play Store will open up and you're going to find the app DailyPay. If you want to log into your account, you will be prompted to download the app. As if right now you cannot log into DailyPay on the web version. First, you will need to download the app, and that way only you will be able to log into the account. After you download the app, click on the option Login. Now go ahead and select the option of your choice or provide your account's credentials manually. Then click on Login. You will be logged into your account. So that's it. I hope now you guys are clear whether you can log into DailyPay portal in the web version or not. At the end, if this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.